Hello guys, this is a review of the HP Elite wireless keyboard. This is included with or was released with the HP Touch Smart desktop, all-in-one desktops that are rival to the iMacs. The keys are very thin and very flat. They don't rise up to a great degree. These are, to me, they almost feel like MacBook keys. I have a black MacBook and it's almost identical in tapping. These are new, and the feel of the keys is they're grainy, a little bit grainy when you get a little close, but it doesn't feel too bad. It doesn't feel slippery. It gives you a good grip when you type, and it's a full-size keyboard. It's not compact. They have not cut any corners. They have only reduced the side in terms of width, and the length is similar to a regular sized keyboard. So you won't feel left out like when you buy. You're not buying a small keyboard. You're just buying a thin keyboard. And I have it on out of frame just for that reason, because I'll just show you right now how thin it actually is. There we go. And just for a quick comparison, I have a little pen right here, and you can just see at the thickest it's probably half an inch. Right now I have it sitting flat against the surface, but you can lift it up a little bit using these clips. You can elevate them a slight bit, but it does not make that dramatic of a difference. One of the other great features, or one of the good things that I like about this keyboard, is that it sticks to the basic layout of a regular keyboard. It does not have the flashy keys on the side, on the top, on this side. It does not have that armrest that come with the Logitech keyboards, which can be a little bit cumbersome because they're made of plastic, and unless they have some sort of padding on them, it's kind of useless. I mean, you're just gonna rest your finger or your wrist there anyway. You can kind of just let your hands sit on the desk and just type. That's one of the good things about it. It does not take too much force to actually push down on the keys, so it's kind of like a natural thing when you type. So that's one of the good things about this keyboard. It does include a full number pad on the side. The Logitech Lenovo line, I think I get the Lenovo Edge, does not include the keypad. Instead, it has a little circular trackpad and the volume rocker, I believe. And I guess it's a good feature if you're looking for that sort of stuff. But for me, it was not that big of a deal, and I didn't go for it. And also, this runs on 2.4 gigahertz frequency and not Bluetooth. So that also doesn't make too much of a difference if you're looking for functionality. It does its job, so Bluetooth or infrared, it doesn't matter. To me, it doesn't matter anyway. These are volume controls. There's volume up, volume down, and mute. And these, you have to install the keyboard drivers that are on the CD that come in the box to actually activate these. But you don't have to install the drivers to activate the keyboard itself. You just need to pop in the USB drive, and it'll pick up the keyboard. Computer will pick up the keyboard automatically. You don't need extra software. Software is only for, I guess, some of the functions that are included. It does have media control keys, which are blended in with the function keys. So, but to activate them, you actually need to press the function key here, and then press these other media control keys. So you have forward, play, pause, stop, and backwards. This is an eject key for the CD DVD drive. These are strictly for the Touch Smart HP Touch Smart desktop computer. These won't apply to any other PC. These are brightness control, like I think like the MacBook or iMac. So If I'm not sure, there might be some sort of driver out there that lets you use it with some computers. I'm not 100% on that, so if you guys want to check that out, go ahead. Also, I just wanted to show you the USB that it came with, and here it is. This is the USB. It's average sized USB flash drive, not very small, probably like 4 inches, the length of my finger. And the only annoying thing about it is that on the other side there is a glass panel, and behind it there's a blue LED which flashes annoyingly bright, and it does that every time you press a key. Doesn't matter what key, it'll flash it. So if you are typing a document, each keystroke will produce an LED flash. So to combat that, what I did, I just covered it with a piece of paper and just taped around it. And this is white, I think construction paper or stuff material, and the light still comes through it, and I was kind of surprised. So if you wanna use a thicker paper, you can try it, or you can use black paper, or I guess the black electrical tape should do it. That's up to you. I'm just gonna leave it like it is. It's not that distracting with this on, but if you leave it off, it is annoying, definitely. And that gets worse if you're using a laptop. If you're using a desktop, it'll probably just sit behind on the side, on the back anyway. But it's up to you. So I hope you guys liked the review of the HP Elite wireless keyboard. Again, this is one of the thinnest keyboards out there. I can compare it to the Logitech Lenovo or the Apple keyboards. Please comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.